Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show you some steps to improve your battery life. If your battery is draining too fast, this video is for you. In the first method, we need to disable the background apps. Background apps can consume more power from your battery, so we need to disable them. So how to disable them? Go to Start menu, then click on Setting option. Now click on Privacy, which is Location, Camera, Microphone. Click on that. Now scroll it down and click on background apps. Now all the option, in my case these are on. I don't use them, so it should be turned off. Toggle the button off, and background means these apps run automatically without your permission. Turn off all the apps, and when you click any particular app, then only that app will open. Now some of the important apps, leave them as default, like Skype or other which you use. Windows security also leave it. We have disabled those, and this will not run in the background. One more thing we can do, go to task manager option and go to starter tab and make sure disable all the apps like this. Only leave the Windows security notification, this is for security purpose. Those app like this is enabled, so disable this app. This will not run automatically when you restart your system. In the second method, we will disable the search automatically option. Windows does indexing automatically inside your Windows, which you don't need, so you can disable this. Go to group policy, type here group, and then click on edit group policy. Expand this option, click on computer configuration. Now double click on administrative templates like this. Now click on Windows component, double click on it, and on the right side click on search option, type S on your keyboard, double click on it. Now you will see more options. Now you need to click on prevent indexing when running on the battery power to conserve energy, double click on it and enable this option. Enable this option. Now your window will prevent indexing when running on the battery power. To save your battery power, make sure it is enabled. In the third method, you need to make sure which apps are consuming more battery. For that, go to Start menu, then click on Setting icon. Now click on Display Sound Notification, which is System. Click on this. Now click on Battery, this option. And you can see the power uses, battery uses per app. Windows Explorer. Now you can choose the power option. Windows default, double click on this and set it never like this. Choose when this apps can run in the background. Choose this option never. Windows search, choose this option no, never as well, and start never, this option as well never already. And choose these options never. Your battery will not consume in the background. Now in the fourth method, you can use the power saver option. If you have, click on the battery saver or go to setting option, all setting option. Now click on power and sleep option. Minimize these options, like you can choose 10 minutes or 5 minutes. On the battery you can maximize this, and sleep you can choose this option as well, like 10 minutes, and the when power plug in 10 minutes. Now after choosing these power sleep option and sleep option, go to additional power setting option here, and now make sure you are choosing balanced recommended. If you have chosen the custom and the high performance, that your battery will be drained faster, make sure you have chosen this option balance recommended and close this option. In the fifth method, we are going to disable the Windows search. Make sure you disable this option. Press Window plus R button together and type as services.msc like this, and click on anywhere and press W on your keyboard and look for Windows search. This is it is running in the background. Stop this service first and then disable this option for some time, and you can also enable this option when you need, and check your battery is draining lower or not. Hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.